Hi guys, today I want to share with you Okatz bandsaw BS127. The machine is 1100 watt. It may cut variety of material such as wood, cast iron, aluminium and PVC. In this video we'll show you how to install the blade and some cutting. Make sure it is loose before installing the blade. Slot the blade to the bearing part first before others. Lock the lever to tighten up the blade. Close the cover for both sides. You can adjust it to 45 degrees. Tighten up the screw and move the lever to the other side. Adjust the speed here for your preference. And switch on the LED light here. You can detach the machine from the base. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you find this video helps.